In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gmail Smart Reply. Smart Reply is the feature that shows those short, suggested responses at the bottom of your emails, like thanks or sounds good. While it can be helpful, it can also feel a bit impersonal or distracting. If you prefer to write your own replies from scratch, turning this feature off is quick and easy. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to disable Smart Reply. Once you're looking at your inbox, go to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. When the panel appears on the right side of the screen, you'll notice a lot of options, but for this change we need the full settings page. Near the top of that panel, click on the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, which has multiple tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. By default, you should land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. If for any reason you're not on the General tab, just click on General at the top to switch to it. This page is fairly long, so you may have to scroll down a bit to find the Smart Reply section. Slowly scroll down the General settings until you see a heading labeled Smart Reply. Under this heading, you'll see two options, one to turn Smart Reply on and one to turn Smart Reply off. Right now, if Smart Reply is active, the on option will be selected. To disable it, simply click on the option that says Smart Reply off. Once you click it, the radio button next to off will be filled in, indicating that you've changed the setting. Gmail usually reminds you to save changes at the bottom of the page, so scroll all the way down and look for the Save Charmed Save Changes button. Click that to apply your new setting. Your inbox will reload briefly, and from this point on, those automatic Smart Reply suggestions should no longer appear at the bottom of your emails. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully disabled Gmail Smart Reply and can now respond to messages in your own words, without any automated suggestions getting in the way.